this video, we cover the following topics. Completes a watercolor work by adding a gloss finish to the surface of the paper. Grade to seal watercolor paper that has been mounted to prepared wooden panels. Watercolor varnish is a protective coating applied to finished watercolor paintings to preserve them from environmental damage such as UV rays, dust, and moisture. Unlike traditional watercolor practices that rely on framing behind glass for protection, varnishing allows the artwork to be displayed without glass while safeguarding its integrity. Varnish also enhances the colors and depth of the painting, giving it a finished, polished appearance. This technique is particularly useful for creating sharp edges, intricate details, and highlights that require precision and clarity or where it's necessary to work around small areas quickly. A watercolor painting with varnish applied will have a shiny appearance. Watercolor varnish is designed to be applied gently to the top of a finished watercolor painting and should not cause the paint to reactivate if applied with a light hand. It's not advisable to scrub varnish unless the intent is to wake up the underlying pigments. After varnish is applied to the paper, watercolor paint will no longer adhere and it will seal the painting thereafter, protecting the underlying painting. Varnish prevents the paint from being reactivated from the point that it is dried onward. This means that if moisture or wet media of any kind comes into contact with the painting in the future, will be protected from any damage or potential lifting that could occur, as shown. Varnishing transforms a delicate watercolor painting into a more durable piece of art, making it suitable for display in a variety of settings, including areas with high humidity or direct sunlight. It also eliminates the need for glass framing, reducing glare and enhancing the viewer's experience. Additionally, the varnish deepens color vibrancy, bringing out the full beauty of the watercolor pigments. The ideal uses of watercolor varnish are to protect the finished painting from dust, UV rays, and moisture. To provide a uniform finish, either matte or glossy, according to preference. And to help to preserve the color integrity and prevent fading over time. Unlock the secrets of watercolor with comprehensive watercolor and interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. This one-of-a-kind guide combines detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and over 200 embedded videos to help you master techniques and build confidence in your watercolor journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has everything you need to grow as an artist. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase comprehensive watercolor in the description below. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media, and more. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.